How do you spend your day?
Yes, in the morning. I wake up around 6 o'clock every day. I dress up for office after taking shower. I usually have breakfast with my family. Normally I have parathas and curd for breakfast. However, during winters, I prefer butter instead of curd. After breakfast, I leave for office around 8 o'clock. I get into my car and drive towards office.
I reach office around 9 o'clock. Before I begin my work, I plan my day in advance. I turn on my computer and check emails. After replying to important emails, I start my scheduled work. I complete all my important work during the first half because I feel a little sluggish after lunch. I have lunch around 1:30 p.m. After lunch, I stroll outside for 10 minutes.
In the afternoon, I resume my work around 2 o'clock. I make most of my calls and write emails after lunch only. I have tea around 4 p.m. I complete my pending work by 6 o'clock and leave office.
It takes about 1 hour to reach home. After reaching home, I freshen up, rest, and take some snacks. After dinner, I go for a walk. Before sleeping, I do important tasks like learning vocabulary or writing an article. I go to bed around 10 o'clock.